Experience driving perfection in the 2020 Chrysler Voyager. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, a blind spot monitoring system, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and air conditioning. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.